I'm Jeremy Souter, and we're here on a project in Ottobine that we've been helping a local contractor with. We were contracted to do the door and window package in the house. We started a number of months ago, but we're just here checking in now that a lot of the trim is completed, and we're just going to take a look around. For this portion of the project, there were some old radiant water heaters underneath the windows recessed into the wall. They wanted to do away with those and just put some panels across the front to give it a more sleek, clean look, as they weren't using the heaters anymore. Before we set the new windows, we reframed in underneath to make sure that there was good support for the new windows that we would be installing. Our salesmen worked together with the contractor and the homeowner to pick out these doors. They wanted something that looked very close to what was originally in the home. We had this option for some French doors, really nice option. They provide a lot of light in the house, and they're just also a very solid, high quality door. For this portion of the home, the customer chose a double hung window with a colonial grille pattern, and it has some releases here on the side, tilt-in function for easy cleaning. Just makes it a lot easier to get to the outside of the windows for cleaning, as opposed to going up a ladder or having to clean them from the outside of the home. Our salesmen worked with the contractor as well as the customer to make sure that we got windows in their project that they really liked. The contractor was doing some new additions as well as renovation work here on the home, and so he wanted some windows that matched some of the windows that were already installed in the main portion of the home. Since this was a combination of construction and replacement window work, it was actually really nice for our salesmen to be involved from the very beginning of the project to ensure that the customer got exactly what they were looking for. At PWD, we understand the importance of our schedule working together with the builder's schedule. So I was personally in contact with the builder a number of months before it was time for us to be on the project. We started a couple months ago, and there were some delays along the way, so we've had to make some adjustments. But that's something we do really well, is working directly with builders and being able to make adjustments on the fly so that our schedule and their schedule meshes together well. We are really proud of how this job turned out, and we're super excited for the customer to be able to return on site and see all the work that we've done. We really hope they'll enjoy it.